So the question is, did I aspire to be a financial advisor when I was young? And I think the short answer is no. It never even crossed my mind. I guess it all started after I read the book, The Wealthy Barber by David Chilton, and I took the advice of that book and I began to put 10% of my pay away. I found an advisor and began to grow an RRSP, and that RRSP would become instrumental in allowing us to purchase our first home. In 2001, I left a comfortable job with a multinational corporation to join an independent senior advisor's practice. At that time, I had no idea how that decision would change the trajectory of our lives forever. I began to work with young families who I would affectionately call the emerging affluent. In many cases, this description became a true depiction of how these people's lives unfolded. They scrimped and saved money towards their RESPs and RSPs, and I made sure they were well insured. I love working with clients both young and old, but we also love the community of Oakville. It is a community that is based on healthy living, and we take advantage of it all the time. Its running trails, waterside pathways, boutique downtown stores and restaurants all make it a great place to grow the practice. Today, I am watching those kids that we once opened an RESP for becoming young adults, graduating from university, and finding their first career-oriented jobs. I am also witnessing firsthand other clients' personal goals and dreams becoming a reality. They are retiring, traveling, moving from the stress of the city to their lakeside recreational properties. Now, if I were to summarize how I feel about my role as a financial advisor, I would have to say I have a job that allows me to watch people attain their dreams, and to be able to do that in a city that is as beautiful as Oakville leads me to believe that I too am living the dream.